I am Jojo from CNLC. Welcome to part 2 of our factory tour, okay? Before every display is shipped, it goes through a series of 3 quality tests. This is our height and low temperature test chamber. It simulates extreme heat and freezing cold, helping us verify that our display performs reliably in different climates around the world. From scorching summer to harsh winter, we test every product to ensure stable performance. Next is our IK10 Palladium's impact tester. The test verifies the impact resistance of our display enclosed, ensuring it can withstand accidental impacts in demanding public and outdoor environments. Every test brings us one step close to delivering a product you can trust. Because quality isn't just inspected, it's built into every display we manufacture. In part 3, we will take you inside our assembled workshop and show you how we maintain high manufacturing standards throughout the production, okay? See you next time.